This section examines brake linings and shoes. The drum brake uses brake shoes that have friction material called linings attached to them. This friction material was once made of asbestos, but concerns about health problems associated with asbestos have led to increasing use of non-asbestos alternatives. Linings can be riveted or more often bonded to the brake shoes. The composition of the friction material affects brake operation. Linings which provide good braking with low pedal pressures tend to lose efficiency when they get hot. This means the stopping distance will be increased. Linings which maintain a stable friction coefficient over a wide temperature range generally require higher pedal pressures to provide efficient braking. This may necessitate the use of a booster.